Becomes a very emotional connect for me because I'm basically from Punjab. My parents actually came from pre-partition Punjab, and of course I have a lot of relatives in Punjab as well. So for me, Punjab is a very important part of my DNA, and that gives me a lot of pleasure to actually be here with all of you today to talk about not just a partnership that we are starting, but about our emotional connect and our Nippon Paint's future plans in Punjab and partnership. But before all this, Punjab as a state, as I said, emotionally very connected. It's not just a region on a map for me, it's about the pulse. The pulse of Punjab is very important for us. It's a real heartbeat of India. And it's also about a lot of the culture of Punjab resonates throughout Nippon Paint. It's about the bold ambition that Punjab shows. It's about the grit, the ability to challenge and to face any obstacle. It's that never say die spirit.
We are unveiling the symbol of strength, energy and fearless spirit the Punjab team holds. It's a mascot that's going to bring alive the passion of cricket and the vibrancy of colors.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Malhotra and Mark and Mr. Mark Titus for being a part of our journey. We don't use the word sponsorship, we always call it partnership. We work as partners and we work together in fulfilling the objectives, whatever we want to achieve through the season. We use this platform to be able to take the brand to its next level. I believe from what I heard from Mark, this is your foray into this market. I know enough about Nippon because I just had my house painted. And one of the reasons why we use Nippon was because I believe it's very pet friendly and child friendly. So we have a lot of pets. And we haven't even completed. My wife says I ran away from home because painting is on. But I was also told that you release VOC. So the vapor doesn't.
There's no VOC.
There's no VOC. Yeah. So something the painter was telling me. So I know of Nippon because of all these reasons. And from what I know, you're the first paint company in the world. I mean, in Japan at least, right? And it's about the biggest in Asia. We wish you all the luck. We welcome you to Punjab. It's his land, mine by way of adoption, which is I got adopted by Punjab Kings, but it's your land.
Mark's also lived in Punjab.
Is that right? Okay. And you see, there's a lot of synergy. We always look at what synergies we can build around brands. This state is known for its color. I love Punjab. For whatever Punjab has done everywhere in the world, including my home state in Kerala during the massive floods. It was Punjab and Punjabis who came up, set up, eateries and, so I...
My first question is, how has the pre-season preparations been for you both as part of the team ahead of the season?
Firstly, thank you so much for inviting us. Lovely meeting you all and spending some good time here. Regarding the preparation, I mean, this is technically our 5th or 6th camp. I mean, around the year, PBK is making sure that we are having camps. I mean, though we play matches for the state team as well, but we have good 4-5 camps. One was in Abu Dhabi, which was the best, I think, amongst all. But really enjoyed the camps and the preparation is really up to the mark. And we all are really ready to go and make you guys entertain.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. For me, it's like I attended Abu Dhabi camp and did some commentary stuff.
Yourself and one of the most reliable players the team has. So how do you prepare yourself to face the crunch situations and handle the high pressure during the match times? Anyone of you?
I mean, it's our profession, ma'am. I mean, we have to do it and we play for that only. I mean, you call it pressure. We don't call it pressure. We just